Hey everyone, my name is Chandan Bulani. I've been using this OPPO A74 5G from 3 weeks now, and I must say this is amazing. With a whole lot of features and a powerful processor, this phone meets all my needs. Let's have a closer look. The box includes the phone in the fantastic purple shade, a USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide and a safety guide. The phone has a premium design with trendy colors that gives it an edge. It is also available in a fluid black shade. It features a 6.49 inches screen with a punch-hole display featuring 2400 by 1080 pixels for dynamic viewing pleasure. Its larger screen-to-body ratio of 90.5% makes it very easy to read and watch your favorite videos on the phone. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor makes accessing the phone very comfortable and quick. It supports a 5G SIM and has a powerful 2 GHz Octa-core processor with the ColorOS 11.1 based on Android version 11.0 operating system for a seamless user experience. Its massive 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery ensures you can go longer without having to get a break for charging. The phone has a 48 megapixel quad camera, 48 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth lens with a 8 megapixel front camera. This phone comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, which is further expandable up to 256 GB. It also comes with a dual SIM feature. This phone is also super quick when it comes to multitasking with apps, and this is designed for everyday use.